Imagine that you have this network diagram, and in this network diagram you can see that we have switches and routers connected to each other, but you don't know and you don't have any information about the links that you have, the uplinks that's connected from one switch to another, or from switch to router, or switch to switch connectivity. So you don't know anything about that, but you are going to check interfaces connected to from one switch to another switch and get more information. But you have, for instance, 10 switches or 50 switches that you are going to gather information and check everything. So with just simple command you can get all information. And we have a YAML file, CDP YAML file, and with this YAML file I'm going to check all routers and switches in the network and see that which type of neighbor we have in this network. So let's see and check it. Okay, Ansible playbook, cdp.yaml file, and on all routers and switches, as you can see here, we can check the interfaces, as you can see here, fast Ethernet interfaces, gigabit interfaces, and get information about that. Okay, but when you have a problem with, for instance, uplinks between the switches, you can check the information related to that with another YAML file. If you define a YAML file like this, just to check switch 1, 2, and 3, and in this network, as you can see here, switch 1, 2, and 3, we are going to check interfaces, neighbors, but just to exclude one interface like this, show CDP neighbor and exclude just one interface, because in this network with fast Ethernet 1.5 I have connectivity with management switch. So with management switch, Ansible can connect to switches. So I'm just going to check interfaces connected between different switches that we have, okay, but exclude some interfaces, okay, like this. Let's see. Okay, YAML file like this, simple YAML file, and command to check it. Okay, let's see what happens. Just switch 1, 2, and 3, and let's see the interfaces. And as you can see, just specific information related to connectivity between the switches. And switch 1, this is multi-layer switch connected to switch 3 and 2 and different interfaces, and switch 2 as you can see here, and switch 3 as you can see here. Sometimes we need to have these kind of information, because imagine that you're going to configure trunk interfaces, okay, and you don't know what type of interface you have, what are the connections, uplinks between the switches. So with simple command you can just exclude other interfaces, okay, if you know about other interfaces or just in management, and check the uplinks that you have between the switches, and then if you gather information after that you can configure the interfaces. But I should say that you should enable CDP, of course, and on routers and switches to have these type of information, to get this type of information.